Moran&rsquo. It is one of the oldest indicators of SA. SA compares the value of a variable in one location with its value at other locations. Similar to a correlation coefficient, SA varies between -1.0 and +1.0. A positive correlation indicates clustering, i.e., higher crash concentrations and highway safety, whereas negative correlation indicates dispersion or low crash concentration. Moran&rsquo is expressed as the term which represents a contiguity matrix. If location Ji is adjacent to location I, the interaction receives a weight of 1, otherwise, 0. The term which compares the sum of the cross products of values at different locations weighted by the inverse of the distance between the locations. The significance of Moran&rsquo can be evaluated by S value as where EI, the expected value of Moran&rsquo, can be computed as SI, the standard deviation, is computed as where. In the foregoing formula, I, J, and K represent the location of crashes. At a level of 5%, values of Z greater than +1.96 and less than -1.96 indicate significant positive and negative SA, respectively. The Giddis Ord G statistics. G statistics, developed by Giddis and Ord, analyzes the evidence of spatial patterns and represents a global SA index. The G, pronounced as GI star, statistics, however, is a local SA index. It is more suitable for discerning clusters of high or low concentration. A simple form of the G statistics is where G is the SA statistics of an event I over n events, for example, crashes. The terms characterizes the magnitude of the variable X at event J over all n, and in highway safety, an index such as Crash Severity Index, CSI, value determined at a particular location can be used. The G statistics can be observed from the underlying distribution of the variable X. The threshold distance, the proximity of one crash to another, can be set to 0 to indicate that all features were considered neighbors of all other features. Further, the standardized G is essentially a Z value as well and can be associated with statistical significance. Where positive and negative G statistics values correspond to clusters of crashes with high and low value events, respectively. A G statistics close to 0 implies a random distribution of events.